Hi, let me show you how I planted these okras. Hello once again. This is the kitchen wastes and that thing, I use that thing to make my compost. And here's the another one. Balat ng saging. So yan, the two things. That's my ingredient in my compost. So here is the finished product. I made it early. I didn't even recorded it. I was kinda busy. So that's it. That's my compost. That's the finished product. So let's wait for about 2 weeks to see the difference of that. So that's it. So here I will place it in this cold area and cover it and wait for about 2 weeks, I think, or 3 weeks. It depends on the soil until it fully decomposed. So see you in 2 to 3 weeks. I will come pick it up after 2 to 3 weeks. And this is my compost after a week. I want to see it. I want to see the changes, and yeah, I see the changes. The organic matter are still visible, but we can see that it will decompose in a week. So let's wait for it. So I think it's ready in the 2 weeks, I think. So this is the soil that I want to use in my pot experiment. So we can see that it's black and it's really good for the pot. It's pure organic matters. Actually, this organic, regular soil from, I don't know where did I get it, but yeah, that's it. I'm thankful. So this the pots, 3 pots, and that's what we need, the 3 pots. And this is the seed, the okra seed. Yeah, the okra seed. I bought it in the market for only 10 pesos. It's kind of cheap. So yeah, let's place this. That one is for compost. Actually, all I will put that all in a compost. And let's start putting those soil in these 3 pots. So earlier I get some regular backyard soil, like a 1/4 of it in the pot, to maintain its good soil. It's not clay, but it's a dry which makes it a good bottom layer for the pot. And those black soil are for the upper part. So let's start. Mix it very well. So let's see. Whoa, look at that. Actually, I mix it. My bad. It's not for the bottom layer. So let's continue. Put everything. Mix it very well. So let me show it. Okay, look at that. Those pine soil. So let's continue the process. Little by little, you can see the progress. So that's it. I finish it up. And it's time to put the seeds. Yes, the seeds. Let me show again the seed. That seed. In one pot, I want to try 3 seed in one pot. Then later on, I want to transplant it in the bucket or timba, because okra is, when it's too high, these pots can't even support it. So bucket is a good choice. And I water it to make it wet, or make it faster to grow. And that's it. That's how I do it.
3 days later.
After 3 days, we can see the progress. Look at those seeds. Anyway, I put the oregano in the center to make it it's my pest control, because I don't want some pest eat those baby plants, right? So that's my only thing to do.
1 week later.
And after a week, look at that. Look at those changes. You can see the tallness of that. That's right. You can see the difference. It grows pretty fast. I think because of the soil, because it's too dark, because of the organic matter. And the oregano is still in the center because of our same reason, pest control. That's it.
Several days later.
After several days, and look at that. I think it's ready for transplanting, I guess, because the stem, it it grows another a bit more. Maybe the stem couldn't support it, so maybe we should transplant it. And the oregano is still in the center. Time for transplanting, and be careful for transplanting, especially on the roots. So finally, I transplanted it with proper care.
A few inches later.
And let's try to water my plant. And anyway, I want to water my plant with compost and mix it with water. And that thing, I want to water it with the compost. Only that pot. I mean bucket. Because that's our experiment. And another one. And the next one is the urea. And that one is for the another bucket, the blue one. Oh my bad, those on the ground. And mix it very well, carefully. That urea is for proper leaves to grow. Water it, and that's it. Water it again, and to the last bucket is just water, water only.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, it's been a while since the last time I looked at my plants, and what I see now is three leaves. The last time I saw this is two leaves. It's now three leaves. So that's good. Actually, it make it four in this one. The fourth one will grow in a matter of time. It's still not yet good, but it's fine. We can wait. It's fine to wait. It's not a problem to wait. I touched the leaf and it's normal. Oh, it's a butterfly, a pollinator. Hey, what you doing here? When you see a butterfly on your plant, just let it be. It's not a bad thing to have a butterfly on that. It's a pollinator. It's okay to have a butterfly.
3 days later.
And after 3 days, oh, look at those progress. The last time I saw it is three leaves, and look at that. It's perfectly growing. And it's normal for that. I water it every morning around 6 o'clock. That's it. And let's have a short montage about this.
Several days later.
After several days, let's take a look at my plant. Oh, this is my cat. Hey, hello. How are you doing? Hey, how are you doing? You good? Really cute. Anyway, my plant. Oh. Anyway, I put oregano in that to make it. Guess what? Yeah, that's right. Pest control. And this is my oregano pot. And this bucket, I don't have any oregano that yet, and I will put it maybe later. Kinda busy. And another one, this one, no oregano yet. kind of busy. But the compost, since it is prone to pest, I want to put oregano in that. Maybe later on those two buckets. Oh, weed. Let's take it out. And anyway, those weed, we should control it. Oh my god, maybe it's hungry. Hey, you hungry? Hey, little one, do you need anything? Maybe he needs anything. After a few days, and I have oregano in that. After a few days, it's nice and tall. It's very fine. Oh, it has a hole, but it's okay. It's fine. Look at this. And it's quite tall. How long has it been since I planted this? Maybe 2 weeks ago, I think.
Meanwhile,
It's raining. Maybe we have a typhoon. A flash flood over here. It's kind of bad for me since I have a plant to care with. Oh, this is a major problem for me. And my location is really, really bad. It is prone to flash flood. And oh, wait. Hey, where is it? Where's my plant? Hey, what? Did I lose it? Did I lose it? Or maybe not. Just kidding. I take control over it. I put it in a high spot and properly care for it. Look at those wind. It's fine. And I put a stick on it to make the stem still in the center. Oh, look at those wind. Maybe that wind can break some leaves. And let's wait for the time for it. After the typhoon, with the proper care, my plant survived in the typhoon. That typhoon is really strong. And that, look at that. Maybe in the few weeks we can see the profit on it. Since my okra is doing good, we should transplant it in school. Since the compost bucket has a really, really good plant, that's the one I choose to transplant it in school. And with the help of my mother, and I am the one who video it. Thank you. My mother knows what to do. She knows what to do. Put it in the plastic bag.
a few inches later.
And I made it in the school. I put my name on it and my section, BSA-1B. But how about the others? The others is fine. in this blue bucket. We can see the flower over it, and after the flower we know that the next of it is the pretty good okra. So look at that. And oh, there's a small okra about it. We can harvest it in a few days. We have a profit. We can sell it maybe 5 pesos per okra. What do you think about that? It's a good business, right? And how about this one? This regular soil. Doesn't have any of it, so it's fine.